Managing short-term rentals across multiple platforms can feel overwhelming. But what if all your key metrics lived in one smart dashboard? Introducing your all-in-one control panel for Airbnb, VRBO, Booking.com, and more. Track revenue, occupancy, bookings, and expenses in real time. Start by using the three smart filters at the top: date range, property, and booking source, to slice the data however you want. And with just one click, the Clear All Filters button resets everything instantly. Want to learn more about any metric? Just hover over it to get helpful tool tips and definitions. Portfolio Overview gives you a quick summary: number of properties, reservations, total nights booked, and active booking sources. Revenue and Profitability breaks down your total income, expenses, net profit, and margin, so you instantly know how your business is performing. Revenue by property and revenue by platform show exactly where your money is coming from, whether it's Airbnb, Booking, or specific locations like Miami or Barcelona. Target tracking lets you compare real results to your targets, both for booked nights and net profit. Revenue Trend displays your yearly performance evolution, clearly and visually. Booking Seasonality shows patterns by month and year, helping you plan your strategy. On the left, the Booking Calendar helps you track stays at a glance, and the interactive map places every property on the world map for a visual reference. And finally, the performance KPIs summarize your key metrics: length of stay, occupancy rate, cancellation rate, RevPAN, ADR, and more, all in one place. Now let's take a look at the data entry file behind the dashboard. This Excel file is structured for simplicity and flexibility. Just plug in your numbers and let the dashboard do the rest. It contains 4 main sheets. 1 property. This sheet lists all your rental properties. Include property ID, country, and full address, types, villa, studio, apartment, and capacity. This powers the map and property-specific metrics. 2 reservation. This is the heart of your data. Here, you enter each reservation: reservation ID, reservation date, check-in and checkout dates, platform source, like Airbnb or Booking, price per night, property ID, and status, confirmed or canceled. Make sure dates are in proper format and prices are numeric. 3 expenses. Here you can enter general expenses not tied to a specific booking, such as platform commissions, utilities, maintenance, and more. Here you fill expense ID, property ID, expense date, the date the expense was incurred, expense types such as maintenance, cleaning, insurance, platform fees, internet, and the expense amount. These entries will be automatically included in your total expenses and net profit visuals in Power BI. 4 targets. This sheet sets your global performance goals. It only contains 1 row and 2 columns. Occupancy rate target, your overall target occupancy rate in percentage. Profit margin, your expected net profit margin goal. These 2 values feed the target tracking indicators in the dashboard to help you assess how well you're meeting your business objectives. If you haven't already, download and install Power BI Desktop for free from the official Microsoft website. The link is in the description below. Once it's installed, here's how to get your dashboard up and running in less than a minute. Open the Power BI file. Make sure your Excel file is saved in the same folder, or update the file path if you moved it. If needed, go to Transform Data, Data Source Settings, and click Change Source to locate the Excel file. Now click Refresh, and all your data updates instantly. No formulas, no manual work. The dashboard is ready to use. Want to view it on your tablet or mobile? Publish the dashboard to your free Microsoft account via Power BI service. Perfect for checking performance on the go. This powerful dashboard is available now on Etsy with a massive 70% launch discount, but only for a limited time. Take control of your rental business today. Grab it now from the link below before the offer expires. You'll get the Power BI dashboard file, the structured Excel data file, a step-by-step PDF user guide. Everything you need. One smart package.